Hi, I'm Tom Levis, product engineer for Panasonic Connect. Let's dive into some of these great features that are offered in the auto tracking. So one of the things you're going to notice is our ability to use AI CUDA technology to maintain a tracking target. With some of these great features, we're able to offer things like automatic zoom functionality, which will maintain a zoom level regardless of where your target moves. One of the really cool pieces of tech that we have in here is our ability to do an auto start area. An auto start area lets us pick a very specific spot that will be the beginning of a tracking target. You'll see that as your lecturer enters the box, the system will automatically start tracking him. On top of our auto tracking functionality, our lecture capture server offers a video input card for baseband or IP-based video that you can use with the learning management system of your choice. We've certified it for Panopto, but it's also available to work with other systems.